Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Wingstop, as I think Wingstop has some potential to fly into earnings. Earnings are coming up February 22nd, so not too far away, but the stock is giving a buy signal, in my opinion, here today. Let's just look at it on the daily chart, and then we'll kind of dive in a little deeper. So as you can see on the daily chart, we have this clear level of resistance right around 169. In November, the stock couldn't get above. It tried, it closed below every time. And so this was a clear level of resistance. It pulled back to the moving averages. More recently, found support at the 21-day. And yesterday, had a nice upside move on a pickup in volume. Now, this, in my opinion, you know what? This is maybe a good starter day on this day here. But today, in my opinion, was the real buy day because it's showing you some upside follow-through and a close above resistance coming on higher than average volume. Also, a signal of strength. As you know, today we had CPI out and the market was volatile. This is the S&P 500. We went up to the highs, pulled back, made a new low, and eventually we closed decently. But Wingstop, if you look intraday, it didn't make a lower low on the day. It established support right here first thing in the morning and then took off and really didn't look back. And so while the rest of the market was testing the lows, Wingstop was finding support intraday at some intraday moving averages here. And like I said, closed near the highs and did it on decent volume. So nice secret signal of strength. As an active investor, this is the kind of stuff you want to look for. You want to look for stocks that are holding up when the rest of the market looks like it's going to puke. So Wingstop definitely looked actionable here today. It is, at this point, in my opinion, a bit extended above that 8-day exponential period moving average. But if it gives you a nice intraday, or maybe a micro pullback to the 8-day, maybe you could take a little stock and get a little piece if it continues its run into earnings. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And you should definitely check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.